What's up, y'all? Welcome to our page, Us Evolving.
Hey, y'all.
We just want to show y'all how we living here in
Phuket, Thailand.
living abroad as Americans. This is how we get it. A beautiful pool right here. We got the whole mountain view. Just Phuket, countryside. The beach is just a few miles that way. Right down here we got a market that they setting up right here, right now. It's gonna be there tonight. Phuket it's a lot of building going on, a lot of cranes all over the place, a lot of just work going on. It is a big tourist city. This is the rainy season right now, so it's not too crowded right now. And if y'all look right over here, Boat Avenue, right here, that shopping center right over there. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on over there. We got 7-Eleven right here.
So many people know, but if you don't know, you can't drink the tap water here. So I think what's really cool about our apartment, they give you free water. So they have these on every single floor of every building. Thank you, baby. Oh. I just had to stop for a second and scratch. Shit bit me. Baby.
And here we are at the wash and dry. Basically just a little family run business. You could do it yourself, but it's only about $3. He washes, dries it for you, folds it for you, leaves it for you. So it's all good. A lot of places that do have washers in their apartments, they typically don't have dryers. That's pretty common in Southeast Asia. Crossing the street again, you see we gotta navigate. Had a nice little workout this morning. We about to go stop on this little corner right here. Fresh fruit smoothies, fresh protein smoothies. Cheers. We got fresh cut fruit for the morning too, which was 100 baht. 100 baht, little over $3. What's up, y'all? So we are on Boat Avenue. This is right across the street. This is where we get our shopping done, go grocery shopping, all types of restaurants, dentists, spa. This is everything you need right in this shopping center.
Bacon.
Marijuana is legal in Thailand. I think they just banned it, made it illegal, but I don't know. But it's weed shops all over. You can buy weed. It's legal. You're supposed to have a prescription technically, but we haven't had that issue at all. You just wouldn't smoke it out in public. It's kind of disrespectful to the culture out here, but You know, it's illegal technically. Here's the flower shop where I actually buy Michelle's flowers. They are about $15 for about, it's like 30, 40 roses I get you in there. And they're fresh, they last about a week, 2 weeks. You know, about $15, $20 for all them flowers. In Phuket, massage is more than a ritual. It's centuries of culture woven into daily life. From temple traditions to bustling local shops, Thai massage blends stretching, acupressure, and herbal therapy, guided by wisdom passed down for generations. Each spa, from street-side parlors to luxury resorts, reflects the island's history, nature, and the deep Thai belief and balance between body, mind, and spirit.
Okay,ค่ะ.
You guys, this is such a nice
Biscuits and chips.
We had a full body scrub.
All right, so we just stopped and got a wonderful massage. That's something we typically do every week. We went a little all out this time. We got a 3-hour spa treatment, so that was a little more expensive than our regular massages. But it is worth it. We usually get a 1-hour massage like every Sunday to recover our body, which is usually about $15, $20 a person. This was more around like $70 a person, but it was 3 hours,
Nice,
jacuzzi tub. Yeah, so yeah, this area right here also they have a night market right here as well, just like we showed y'all the Naka night market. If y'all want to go back to the last video, check that out. They also have that here every Friday night. Typically on the weekends, they have big night markets all over Phuket. Headed to 7-Eleven right now. We about to pick up dinner or lunch. Yes, I said lunch from 7-Eleven. The 7-Elevens here are a lot more intricate than other parts of the world. They got fresh meals, fresh food, everything. We'll show y'all. So as you can see, it's really walkable where we stay.
We love a 7-Eleven.
Yeah, so y'all look at these meals. It's just like meal preps. Bunch of meal preps. 59 baht, 45 baht. Just $2, $3 for all these.
This is all the skincare stuff.
A lot of skincare stuff. Liquor on the shelves. Alright, y'all, and this is what we got from 7-Eleven, all for $17.
$17. So my favorite, these sweet potato chips with the spinach dip. So good.
We got some chocolate protein shakes for the both of us.
Caesar salads.
We got a little picky up. This is my favorite. These are like 50 cents. Little coffees right there.
Mm-hmm. One of our favorite meals.
It's the best one in 7-Eleven. Chicken tikka masala with turmeric rice. This is freshly made. They deliver these freshly daily. So it's turmeric rice and chicken masala fresh.
Chicken
so it's meal prep. And I love these as well. What's this? Chicken with yellow curry rice. Mm-hmm. And this is just like a meal prep. And these are like $2.
Mm-hmm. And what is some?
Oh, and we got
got
some
some
fish
fish oil. And then,
and some baby wipes.
and that's it.
7-Eleven. Word that.
Yes.
Now that we showed you a little bit of where we living, how we living, we're gonna show y'all, we're gonna tell y'all how much we actually pay. So for this place, it is a 1-bedroom. It has a little kitchen in there, bathroom, all of that stuff, AC, Netflix, stuff like that. We pay, how much we pay?
$900 and I think it's $45 a month.
$945.
Plus we have to pay electricity, and that's usually, it was on the high end last
We paid $200 last time, which
Yeah,
is crazy,
high
but
end.
we had the AC blasted all day, every day, so that's one less. So we going to download it, or downgrade it down to like, hopefully $80, $100. So about a little over $1,000 a month, you know, everything, you know, we saw all the amenities and everything. This is our balcony where we're sitting at right now.
Yeah. So $945 for our place, a pool, co-work space, a gym, what else? Being close to everything, like the spa that we went to today, we can walk everywhere. Yeah, so I think we get a lot of bang for our buck.
Let's stick around and figure out all the visa requirements as an American citizen to live here in Thailand.
Yeah, stay tuned. So this is where you go in Phuket to extend your visa. It's called Blue Tree Phuket. We extended our original 60-day visa, 60-day tour visa. That's what we got with our American passport. We can extend it for 30 days, which makes 90 days. At the end of those 90 days, we do have to leave the country. And when we come back in, we get another re-entry stamp, which is good for another 60 days. Then you can extend it again, 30 days. So all in all, you can stay 180 days in Thailand on a tourist visa.
So now we have to wait about an hour wait. Quick process, just filled out some paperwork. And it's right here in this nice shopping center. It's got food, a gym, a barber shop, everything you need just to wait, get some coffee, chill out.
Oh, don't forget to like,
Comment,
subscribe
and subscribe.
to Us Evolving.